there and then come back. Or if you can cut in and get M9 at the same time, that would be great. All three of the northern flags are green, so we need to try and wrestle one or two back from them guys.
I don't know who was moving up, but they're hunkered down. We have no visual on them.
There's a lot of them in and around the mosque.
Is that you, NS3?
There's something up, but I'm not getting anything back.
We got about 13 minutes till the next flag count, guys. Say again about the mosque?
Any friendlies there? Over?
We do not believe so.
I'm coming up on it right now with one more. Over.
Good copy. We're in the north, up on the northern ridge. We're going to start to push to that direction to lay fire on it from the opposite side.
Roger that. We're coming through the reeds from the south. Over.
Good copy. I'm going to try and move down to the tan van so that maybe I can get some long-range fire from the opposite side of it.
Building N2 has been captured for tan.
Good copy. Excellent job, guys.
Right behind you, Pete, so don't shoot me.
Get that flag. War Child at the tan van, compact going for N7. Michael is in N2. I don't see anybody in the mosque itself, but believe there to be a couple in the grotto overwatching the mosque.
Peter, I'm moving up, don't kill me.
What? Yeah, compact's moving toward it. Compact is currently changing November 7.
Bunker at middle 9.
Good copy. Excellent job, guys. Looks like we're about to take them all here.
Are you over by the mosque?
War Child is near the flipped Daytona in the middle of the northern parking lot. Currently have eyes on 3 or so tangos that are almost at the trading post to respawn, so we'll be getting a couple guys out of the north in a minute.
Middle 9 is there. Hey, Todd, can you go to the railroad and clear call? Flip it.
Say again, Mike? Yep. Wow, nice shot. What do you got, Mike?
What do you say? He's in the grotto.
Moving over to the mosque from rail side.
In the grotto shit.
I got you covered right behind you there, buddy. There's one guy with the saw right behind the mosque to the north in the bush.
See him?
No, but I heard him move after a shot.
in the brush by the missiles?
We just lost middle 17 on the road back to green. So they're sneaking somebody into the backfield there. Say again? I'll cover you. Eight minutes till a flag count, guys. Try and keep as many as we can.
He can't shoot you or bang you within 50 feet.
Right. That's why it doesn't make any sense to be that deep in the shit. Oh, one of them's down. All right, let's keep an eye up. You know, Mike.
Child, you have one heading into the northern parking lot by N14.
Good copy.
The mouse is gone. It's tan color now.
Good copy. Mike, get at the tan van and keep an eye on N7, and you can probably throw long-range fire against N15. We got somebody prowling around over here.
Just watch out, Mitch. You're going to fall back.
Whoa!
Copy. Do we have any tan towards mosque?
We got green at N1!
Mosque, and you should also have a guy to your left in the lead.
N1 down.
Hey, Pete, I got Nick and I got Curtis. Where do you guys need us? We're in the mosque, over. Alright, we're heading there now.
Pete, if you're on the road and you can push down, back down to N17 and get it, go ahead.
We got a friendly coming out of the trail towards the mosque.
See that tall tree in the distance? Yeah. It's back by that. It's a black building, says the trading post on it.
Thanks.
Pete, you got tangos over there by the war store or anything? How's the southern parking lot look flag-wise, guys? What? Say it on the radio, Pete. I can't hear you.
Coming down 17 is tan.
Still have all the flags in the southern parking lot, but they're trying to get into it still.
Good copy. Pete and I are up here by the west base. Do you need us to push south down the road and pressure them?
So far, I think we're holding up so good, and we just got a few more coming in from our respawn down here, so we're probably good for now.
Good copy. Pete. Pete.
Alright guys, now we gotta look out because it's gonna be spawning behind us.
Cutting here. Cut completely lateral all the way over.
Okay.
And then you're about 100 feet north. You'll see a set of red and white drums, and about another 100 feet is the trading post.
just captured the building next to Fort Apache.
One green down trying to get up on the northern ridge. One green near the outer tire bunker. Still have 3 green in and around November 13 on the road. Green hood.
Just took the radio tower by Fort Apache.
We got several green near the west base moving up the road.
Clayton just ran north to the X3.
Did I what? 1 minute.
Guy in the weeds, directly across from the new wood building. There's one guy in the weeds by SD6, by the barrel. Front of the box truck.
We just lost N2, guys. What's the flag situation currently?
Sam still owns the southern parking lot.
Pete, your kill rag's still on.
How far we're holding it?
Heavy, watch yourself. 2 coming from the north. Two green over by N2.
Good copy. Where exactly around N2?
Right in front of the cube van. Inside 2 of them at least. There actually is one over by M2 itself. And we've got a couple guys coming in from the trading post too now.
We're child at the outer tire bunkers. I'm going to try to get down to the end of Cube Van Road and lay fire toward the front of the Cube Van.
So we gotta take that risk back. Watch out, people. We still got some people moving around over here by N2. Roger that.
We're child now 75 feet west of N1.
I don't know where the guys went up by the front of the cube van, but I know one of them was Frederickson, I do believe.
We got tangos in the mosque, even though the mosque is still flying orange.
Or copy. There's one guy in the distance right now.